Yo, what's poppin'? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone, guys. I'm with.
This is your girl, Lady, and you know what it is.
Alright, though, yeah. Alright, guys. Okay, we'll get straight to the point, ne? We have a new show that's coming on our channel, so can you please, guys, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, because as we said, guys, like we still got some new content coming through, you know. Yeah, so guys, please keep on subscribing. The new show is called What's Poppin'. It's coming really soon. Yeah, we're not sure about the date, but it's coming really soon. Yeah.
So please, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Always stay tuned.
Yeah, so like we're gonna be doing a lot more on the show, whether it's celeb news, politics, sports, music, you name it. Yeah, we're also gonna be doing like interviews, like event interviews. Mostly event interviews. Yeah, so we're just doing this announcement, guys, with you so that like it's dropping content, you know. At least you guys are aware now that there's something coming soon, and it's really something good for you guys. So,
So please continue to subscribe, guys. Continue to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Stay tuned. Always stay tuned.
Yeah. Right, guys. Danko.